Cameroon's transport sector is growing fast. But for many bus companies, managing tickets, routes, and maintenance is still manual, and it's slowing them down. What if one single platform could help you? Sell more tickets, reach more passengers, and manage your entire company right from your phone or computer? Introducing Izimoove, Cameroon's first ever bus ticketing marketplace. Izimoove isn't just a booking tool. It's a complete solution built for bus companies like yours. With Izimoove, you can add your buses and create routes, set and manage ticket prices, track ticket sales in real time, monitor income and expenses, manage fleet maintenance, handle online reservations, manage parcels and courier services, and so much more. No more paperwork. No more missed bookings. Just clarity, efficiency, and real growth. With Izimoove, you're not just going digital. You're growing your business. As a marketplace, Izimoove connects your bus company with thousands of passengers across Cameroon. No website or app development needed. Let the platform work for you, while you focus on running your business. Join us today, and take your bus company to the next level. Izimoove, smart transport. Simple growth.